Hi kindergartners, Mrs. Bean Super here, and I have with me a special guest again. Who's here?
Taylor!
Taylor's here, and today you are seeing our hands because we are going to practice composing 3D shapes. That means we're going to draw them. So the first shape that we're going to draw is the cube. Oh, wait. Before you do anything, you need to get what Taylor and I have. We need to have at least 6 pieces of paper, and I had a Sharpie and I had a clipboard. If you have a pencil or a crayon, that works too. You don't need a clipboard, but you do need something hard to write on. Okay, are you ready to draw a cube?
Yeah!
Okay, so if you're not ready yet, go ahead and pause the video to gather all the things that you need. We'll wait here for you. Press pause if you need to gather things. Did you get them? Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a cube. So the way we do that is we first draw a nice big square in the middle of our paper. Doesn't have to be perfect. Nice big square. Did you get a square?
Yes.
Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is put like a dot in the middle of your square. Okay. So based on that dot, I'm going to go ahead and draw myself another square that's going to come out and over this first one. Another square. Did you get it? Okay, now if you are stuck, go ahead and pause the video. If you get lost or if you need to back up, that's okay too. We're going to keep going, but remember, if we're going too fast, just hit what?
Pause.
Just hit pause. Okay, so from there, I'm going to take this corner and connect them. Okay, and then we're going to go from this corner to this corner and connect it. And then from this corner to this corner. Okay, so now we have a cube. Oh wait, we're missing one more. This corner to this corner. And it's kind of like, it's like a see-through cube, isn't it? That's kind of cool, right? I like that one. Okay, but we're done with cubes. Toss it. Okay, the next shape we're going to try to draw is a rectangular prism. Okay, so we're going to start with a rectangle because rectangular prisms are made out of rectangles. So I need a nice big rectangle kind of towards the side of my paper. I'm making a rectangle that is long and maybe not as tall. That looks good. Again, I'm going to put a dot in the middle. And then I want to draw the same size rectangle but down here. So I'm going to start with my dot and go out to try to draw almost the same size rectangle. That looks good. Okay, then just like we did with the cube, we're going to connect all the corners. So top corner to top corner, bottom corner to bottom corner, side corner to side corner, and bottom corner to bottom corner. Hey, look at that. That's a rectangular prism. It looks good. All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Get your other paper out. Our next shape is a pyramid. Now, pyramids are so fun to draw because we're going to start with just one vertical line. Now, from that one vertical line, we're going to make 2 more lines that come out, and they're not going to be quite as long. So one over here and one over here. Kind of looks like a big arrow now. Okay, then we're going to take our vertical lines and we're going to connect them across the bottom. There's one side and here's another side. Yeah, our pyramids are a little bit different looking. Yours might be smaller, mine might be bigger, but that's okay. We're all trying our best to draw a pyramid. You ready for the next shape?
Yes.
Okay, next we're gonna practice drawing a
Cone.
A cone. Okay, we're gonna start with kind of a smushed circle towards the bottom of our paper. So circle, actually, you know what? That's like an oval, isn't it? That looks good. Then we're going to draw a dot where we want the top of our cone to be. And we're going to take our dot and connect it down to the sides of the circle. One side and the other side. Okay, that's a good looking cone. Looks like a nice party hat. Okay, ready for the next shape?
Yes.
Sphere! Ooh, the sphere can be very tricky. So I'm going to start by drawing a big circle on my paper. You know what helps me is if I just use my finger to kind of picture what a circle is going to look like a few times first, and then maybe I might do it with my pen too, and then I'll... And it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Then I'm going to draw like a smushed oval that connects this side to this side. Smushed oval. Try that out. That might be kind of tricky. We're all just going to try our best though. Okay, and then another smushed oval that connects the top to the bottom. Yeah, it's my sphere. If you look at it, it kind of looks like a nice ball with some space on the inside. All right, last shape. Let's try to draw a cylinder. So I'm going to start my cylinder by drawing a smushed circle on the bottom, just like I did for the cone. And another smushed cylinder. And I'm going to connect the sides. All right, there it is.